Here we are at the Hampton Inn here in Dandridge, Tennessee. Look how low the call barn is.
Yeah, nice.
If you hear that noise in the background, they're doing renovations down there. This place is not even that old. Kind of questions me why they're doing a renovation in this place. Well, let's go to 3. Look at that. Cool. Let's go back up to 3. Nope. Nice. That's the laundry room on that side. On the rear door. Got a nice wood floor. Pretty nice cab. This is like an old Hampton Inn before, renovation started. Let's go down to 1. Single 4. And here at 1. Look how cute this call barn it is. It's like literally at ADA compliant height. They also replaced this barn with the mad version of, that's a California version of that barn. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.